In this video, I will be reviewing the Rogers Real Red. In this video, I will be reviewing the Rogers Red World Elite Mastercard. So, Elite Mastercard is one of the most hot-selling and trending Mastercard in the industry, and it has one of the best sort of features and I will be telling you exactly how you guys can get it and what sort of features and functions it is going to give you. So all you have to do is to follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna read the bunch of reviews over the internet and let's see what the real persons who have bought it and using it are have to say about it. So first thing first is that these person expand your horizon and your rewards, earn 2% cashback, earn 2% unlimited cashback on eligible non-US dollar purchases if you have one qualifying service with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. Otherwise, 1.5 unlimited cashback on eligible non-US dollar purchases. Earn 3% cashback on the US purchases, 1.5x cashback every time you redeem from Rogers, Fido, or Shaw purchases. 5 ROM like Home Day. Get 5 ROM like Home Day at no cost every year from Rogers mobile plan up to $75 value. So you guys can check the eligibility. So the eligibility criteria is postpone Rogers brand consumer mobile plan, which includes wireless home phone, tablet, and data plans. For these plans, users have permission to make changes. That is level 1 authorized users and also eligible. Postpaid, you will be eligible 2% cashback if you are actively subscribed to only one eligible service. So these are the eligible service that you can get. So let's read the reviews over the internet about it. So the person is saying that your income determines if you qualify for the Rogers WE. If you don't have the income, you can qualify for the non-WE version, which has most same benefits though. Aside from the Rogers cards, most non-fee cards aren't very good. There are some cards with a fee that can earn you a lot of if you spend in certain categories like the MBNA rewards. WE sticking only to non-fee cards does not give the best net return depending on your spending habits. For a no-fee card, the Rogers card blows every other free card out of the water since it gives 3% when you redeem your cashback to pay your Rogers bill. So it is legitimate card, it is not fake, and people are buying it and saying it is one of the best card out there. So this person is saying that this is the best card out there right now. In my opinion, 3% is amazing. I just got mine a few weeks ago. Look like I've missed out on $100 cashback someone mentioned below. Damn it. So this card is one of the best card right now available outside the other free card category. So this is one of the best card. I really suggest you guys to go for it. And this is pretty much it. Make sure that you read all the terms and condition and all the eligibility criteria and make sure that you fulfill that. So this is pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.